it's not just buying real estate which can be a lucrative option. Even making a career or business out of real estate can sometimes pay off in a big way. You must be reading news on how Prop Tiger got huge amount of funding, not just that company, but a lot of new marketing services, broking outfits, online businesses are getting a lot of traction and funding. So in our expert segment today, we have a unique topic. How do you get started with a real estate business? What are the opportunities and what's the capital required? We have with us Vinay Garg, Director, SubhSantosh Group, and also Anil Kumar Sharma, Chairman and Managing Director, Amrapali Group. Gentlemen, thanks very much for joining. Anil, I think I'll start with you. IIT Kharagpur, is that where you passed out from and started a real estate business? Of course, not everyone can hope to become a big developer like you, but you would be the right person to start this discussion with. I mean, what are the opportunities today in the real estate business?
See, first of all, I would like to say that initially once you pass out and join business, there is some sort of suggestion from my side, because you must be a professional for some time. You must join some company.
So you must get some experience.
Must get some experience, because in directly coming into the business, you have a big risk for that. And after passing out, I did got some experience while working in government sector somewhere. Then I started the business in real estate.
All right.
But real estate has got many arms. You know, if it's an subject matter today. You need law graduate, you need management, you need electronics, you need experts from engineering, you need mechanical engineer. So interdisciplinary professionals is required in real estate business.
All right, so it's a lot of opportunities there, but that's a very good starting point. That don't jump into headway, Vinay. You must at least work. Is that something that you would agree with? Yeah. Work at least 4 to 5 years, get to know the basics, maybe longer.
4 to 5 years, at least 2 to 3 years is a nice time span to start with any good company as a career, and then choose the line which you are looking at.
Right. Okay. So, Samir, your own experience is extremely important. I mean, you decided no working for anybody else. I'm going to plunge in. And Prop Equity today is a very big success story, except that it's happened after many failures. So I think before you become an entrepreneur, you have to be ready to take the knockdown many times over.
No, I completely agree with you. I also got into real estate after 5-6 years of corporate experience. I just chose the other line, which is more with respect to internet and technology in real estate, and made success out of ventures over there, especially failing first because that time the .com industry was just not ready, but things are turning around. The tipping point actually has come, and now the timing is very right for anybody to look at real estate as a sector. It's become a full-fledged industry, and there are various opportunities in real estate, starting from becoming a developer, which is the most lucrative way, but you need a lot of capital for that.
And a lot of connections,
and a lot of connections as well. But now professionals...
Let's be very honest.
See, I'll tell you, just to become a developer, everything, of course, in Indian context, we can assume a lot many things. But I would like to say that in experience, bit of experience. And secondly, capital is most important. But at the last but not the least, your educational background. It's very important.
So that myth that, okay, for a business like real estate, you don't need to have education is all bunk.
It was.
In fact, now you have Harvard educated, I am Ahmedabad, I am Calcutta. Just if you look at the list of the new business professionals in real estate, it's almost the top business schools, top engineering schools of the country, isn't it? Will you tell us a little bit about how you started and, in terms of what opportunities do you see?
After doing my education, I started with Omex. I started with Omex in 2000 and worked for them for 6 years. And in 2006, I left them and started my own company.
Okay.
And within 6 months of time, I started my project in Rudrapur of 11 acre, where we are building about 560 units. And now it's almost 6 years.
Is it challenging?
Yeah, it was a challenging.
I mean, you have to tie up finances, get permission. It's not easy
Very
to
true.
start.
That's what I'm saying, that after a hard work of 6 months, we were able to No, 6 months.
Okay.
After leaving the company, almost 6-7 months, then we were able to start this project. And still we are fighting with the project and almost on an edge of completing it.
Okay. But it's a challenge to become a developer. What about broking services per se? That seems to be the new mantra. You become a broker, but a very, very professional broker outfit. What kind of capital, Sameer, would you think would be required for something like that?
Sure. So first of all, becoming a broker doesn't require, there's no entry barriers.
If you're a mom and pop shop,
If you're a mom and pop shop, the easiest way to make maybe 3 to 5 lakhs a month, that's the easiest business to be in. But if you want to be institutionalized and if you want to corporatize yourself and be able to raise venture capital and be able to list one day as a brokership firm, and there are many such companies like Prop Tiger, India Homes and Investor Clinic that have come around, you need to raise between $5 and $10 million. And you have to demonstrate, you have to demonstrate success by being able to...
50 crores approximately?
Yes, about 30 crores to 50 crores.
Right.
But then you're looking at a $50 to $100 million listing over the next 3 to 4 years. You need to have an army of 300-400 people, build in processes, build in CRMs, and so on and so forth. The primary market has emerged actually to be a great opportunity with 5 lakh odd units selling across the top 15 cities. So the primary brokerage market size is about $1 billion. So if you look at the media spends in real estate, we were talking about 3,000 crores. Brokerage is actually much more than that.
My
so that's
goodness.
why it's providing
so that
opportunities.
That seems to be the most mouth-watering opportunity.
Yes, let us take an example, as Sameer told. Take the example of JLL, they are still broking in Mumbai and other cities of India.
They are a huge institution. We are talking about entrepreneurs.
They are arranging the funds and they are totally corporate. They are totally corporate.
They are way bigger than many developers.
Yes,
that's what we are talking about. What about some other businesses like data analytics? What's been your own experience? It's taken how many years to build prop equity, Sameer?
It's taken us 3.5 years. But we are pioneers in this field, but I don't think there's space for too many data analytics providers
yet. You don't want competition.
Okay,
Sameer here is warning off competition. He's saying don't get into data analytics.
So we're not worried because there are huge entry barriers.
Data, you probably don't want to get there.
but having said that, I think internet is emerging to be a very good business opportunity in the real estate side. As I was mentioning, the tipping point has really come. Classified websites like Magic Bricks and 99 Acres have seen growth of 50 to 60% over the last 1 year, which was unheard of in the classified segment. And if you were to look at purchasing real estate through internet in the Western markets today, over 80% of people or 90% of people who look at real estate search is done all through internet, and the traditional media has been overtaken by the internet media in the real estate side of things. So various opportunities on the internet side.
So the couple of things that I'm going to sum up is, one is that you could even look at a business of doing turnkey electronic projects or wiring systems of security systems. There's even training, because skilled manpower seems to be such of such poor quality. So lots and lots of
250 industries associated with construction.
Correct.
So those are the opportunities that are unimaginable.
And so IT plays a very important role.
Even IT, creating IT products to manage real estate business is a big one. CRM products, it's a huge opportunity. But Anil and Vinay, thanks very much, both of you, for joining us here. Of course, the key message here is, we can keep talking about this subject matter, but the key message here is, don't jump into straight away. Do get some experience. Education is absolutely important. So, it's very difficult to make it in this industry now, which is getting more and more professional, without the right credentials and education. And with 250 industries associated, there are huge number of opportunities in real estate.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.